Hi students, this is Dr. Davis. I just want to give you a brief overview of what to expect in our 8-week DEXL course called Math 110. I'm Dr. Davis and I will be your instructor for the next 8 weeks. And the first place to click once you sign into our course is Home and Live Event links. We will have live events during week 1, which will help you get started with the course, and week 8, which will help you wrap up. All of those live events will take place at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're on Eastern Time like me, it'll be 11 a.m. and it'll be in Zoom. All you have to do is just click on this link. You don't have to do anything else. Just click on the link and come on in. Okay? Go down to syllabus. Where it says syllabus, please make sure that you have taken the time to review all of these syllabus requirements, including the assignment weights, and of course it totals up to 100%. So please make sure you've gone through that, as well as the grading scale, because of course that means a lot in this course. And you want to make sure that you're doing all that you can to pass this course successfully. Next, announcements. I'll be posting more announcements as the first week gets going, just to make sure everybody's in it on the same page. Also, in the announcements, I'll be posting them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but during that first week, I'll post a little bit more because I want to make sure everybody's gone in, acknowledge the course syllabus, as well as read the intro information before getting started. So please make sure that you subscribe to the announcements, because when I send them out, they will come straight to your email box. Okay? For Alex. Alex on your end will look a little bit different. You will click on Alex. It will launch. And it will allow you to sign up as an account holder. You will need to complete the initial knowledge check in order for the software to discern what you know and what you don't know. For example, if you come in knowing 100 topics and there's 151 total topics in the course, you only have to do 51 more topics. However, you have to make sure that you come in week 1 and do this stuff in order. Acknowledge your course syllabus. Go ahead and do your initial knowledge check. Make some posts within YellowDig, which I'll go to next. And then your week one unit quiz. YellowDig is where we will communicate with one another in this course. I will communicate with you via inbox, but I'll also communicate with you via YellowDig. My initial spark, or my very first spark, will be done on Monday, and it'll be in this area. It'll be at the top. Instead of you going through and making a response post to me here, I want you to create your very own pin. And in creating your very own pin, that gives you a chance to have your own message. And you'll be able to have your message, and other students, including myself, will be able to respond to it. In YellowDig, I recommend you being in there at least 3 to 4 times a week, because I want to make sure that you're in there, you're communicating with one another, you're posting things such as, I have a question on this assignment, because someone else may have the same question as well. Your grades will be listed here, as well as Bryan Library Connect and My Media. Let me go ahead to Unit 1 briefly to kind of give you an idea of what's due. For week 1, we have real numbers and algebraics, expressions. Please go in and click on the instructor welcome. This is how you will get to know me. Sorry, the picture's a little bit big. Feel free to use my number, 859-287-4221 to contact me, or to even call, because I know sometimes students may think that email is not as user-friendly, so I want to make sure you have my Google Voice number in the event that you need to contact me. Also, there's a success video and syllabus acknowledgement. Day 1, go in and acknowledge the course syllabus. If you can do that day 1, you're ahead of the crowd. Also, after you acknowledge the course syllabus, register for Alex, get to know Alex. You have to read all of these, and it has to be checked off in green to make sure that you've done them all. And then read the week 1 assigned material. Do not attempt any assignments without reading the material first. engage in Yellow Dig, which is where we'll be communicating with each other. And of course, you'll be having your own pen, and you can also use a graphic with it as well. Complete the knowledge check. That will tell the software where you are and where you need to be. And then W1 homework and week 1 quiz are both in ALEKS. If you feel that at some point in time this is a little bit overwhelming right now, go ahead and click on Book a Math Tutor, and you can get the assistance that you need. Okay? Any events that we have will be over here on the calendar. All these events that have dates by them will be over here on the calendar, and you'll be able to see what's due and when it's due. All right, that's all I have for you. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or give me a call. Again, welcome to Math 110 in the 8-week Dexel version.